welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing another update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. I've decided to spice it up, so today when we get to Southwest we are going to have an entirely canyon blue Southwest section. It's not exactly a retro update, everything else is set within the current time frame, and of course Southwest still do have canyon blue aircraft out there, so this is just a very unlikely but cool scenario where we have a lineup of canyon blue aircraft. But with that being said, we're going to start off here at the taxiway where we have this Play Airbus A321neo. This aircraft is just taxiing out to the runway for a flight out to Keflavik in Iceland. Then moving over to the cargo section, here we have this UPS Boeing 767-300. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Chicago Rockford in Illinois. We then have the giant Atlas Air Boeing 747-8 freighter. This aircraft is going to be heading out to San Antonio in Texas today. Moving over to the Spirit section, I absolutely love the look of this aircraft. We have the Spirit Airbus A321neo. This aircraft has just arrived from Cancun in Mexico and is going to be heading out to Houston in Texas. Following that, we have the other neo variant in the Spirit fleet. We have the A320neo. This aircraft has arrived in from Orlando in Florida and is going to be heading out to Detroit in Michigan. Next up, we have this Delta Airbus A319. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Minneapolis in Minnesota. Next, we have this United mainline Boeing 737-900ER. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Denver in Colorado. Then following that, we have this United Boeing 737 MAX 9. It would be good to get a release of the MAX 9 in the current livery, but so far we haven't had that. So here we have it in the original livery. And this aircraft is going to be heading out to San Francisco in California today. After that, we have the Alaska Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Seattle in Washington. And then finally here for this terminal, we have the American Airbus A321. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Dallas-Fort Worth in Texas. Next up here we have this British Airways Boeing 787-8. This aircraft is going to be heading out to London Heathrow. And then moving on to our long line of canyon blue Southwest aircraft, here we have this Southwest 737-700. This aircraft has arrived in from Cincinnati in Ohio and is going to be heading out to New Orleans in Louisiana. We then have another 737-700. This one has arrived in from Islip in New York and is going to be heading out to Fort Lauderdale in Florida. Following that, we have another Southwest 737-700. This one has arrived in from Boston in Massachusetts and is going to be heading out to Dallas Love Field in Texas. We have another 737-700. This is our last one, however, and this one has arrived in from Norfolk in Virginia and is going to be heading out to Kansas City in Missouri. Up next, here we have this Southwest Boeing 737-800. This one has arrived in from Raleigh-Durham in North Carolina and is going to be heading out to Savannah in Georgia. And finally here for today's update, we have another Southwest Boeing 737-800. It's arrived in from West Palm Beach in Florida and is going to be heading out to Portland in Maine. And just like that, that does conclude today's update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. I hope you enjoyed. We are slowly but surely entering out of the winter months, and that means we will slowly start to see some of the summer seasonal airlines and destinations reintroduced to Baltimore. The airline I'm really looking forward to seeing return this summer is of course Condor. Last year we never got to see an A330-900 at Baltimore, but this year they are entirely operating A330-900s in their wide-body fleet, so the A330-900 will be the aircraft we will see here. Last year they were in the middle of training pilots onto the Airbus system, so they rented out a bunch of A330-200s. I believe a couple of them came into Baltimore, but we never saw the A330-900. But finally this year it's just A330-900s, and hopefully we get another release of an A330-900 in different colors. At the moment I only have the green livery, so I'd love to see the bronze livery, and then I believe they're getting a bunch of other liveries like the red one and the blue one, so hopefully we see them as well. But that is all to look forward to in future updates. So with that, I want to thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.